What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So this tournament was from about a month ago out on Bugs Island. I was fishing the BFL in the Piedmont division. It's the second tournament from that division for this year. Practice for this tournament went pretty well. I showed up the day before and jumped around a bunch of different spots and caught them on spinnerbait, caught a ton on topwater throughout the day. And my plan was to start early on bluff falls, try and catch a bit of a shad spawn, and then move to the back of pockets and try to catch them on topwater. So that was the plan I was going with for this event, and this is how it unfolded.
628, we will be blasting it right at 6:30. Boat number 29.
Minutes. Alright, first stop of the day, 15-minute run. Gonna fish in the falls. Got it? Got him? Nice. Oh, that'll keep for sure. Good stuff, man. The old flat A coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Sure, he's 14, man.
Do you want a board?
Yeah, we might need it.
I'll grab it just in case.
Just in case.
But I'm pretty sure he's,
Yeah,
I'd say he's probably 14 and a half, 15.
little chunky fish anyway. Yeah.
Nice. Good start. Tiny. Smoked it. I caught a pickerel on a buzzbait yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Smoked it. Yeah, it was so funny. Got him? Nice.
Long, skinny.
He looks like he might be 14 though.
He ain't much to him, is it?
No, he's just long. 14?
14 and a half.
Nice. Good stuff.
Good one,
Yeah. Decent one.
oh, yeah. Keep it.
That'll work. All right, number one, thank you for the net. Appreciate it. Too kind. That's actually not a terrible one.
No, that's a good fish.
You got to keep catching them because when you catch them, I get one too. It's always nice. Man, he clobbered that thing. I love it. These fish, there might not be many big ones in here, but the fish in here, they eat good. All right, Jan, let's go fish another rock wall. Take your time, no rush. This one just dies out right here. Not a bad stop.
No.
3 quick keepers.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah.
We got 4 of those. You caught a short one. 3
Yeah.
keepers and a short.
Yeah. Got him. Little spinnerbait.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Woo! Oh, he'll keep. He'll definitely keep. Nice. That was a good save. I would have grabbed the net for you. When you said little one, I thought he was like tiny little.
I thought he was little. He's 15 inches.
Nice. There we go. Got it.
Oh yeah, cool. Good job.
A decent one.
That's a nice one.
Really slowed it down. I mean, I've been fishing it slow the whole morning, but I really slowed that.
Good one, 2.5.
Yeah, he's probably two something. Not bad. Just trying to keep up with you.
I just have to get 5. I don't care what size they are.
You'll get him. You will get him for sure. Do a quick retie. Tiny. A little spot. Whoa. Spotty spot. The old black trickworm. Another small one.
A little one?
Yeah. It's the same fish I just threw back. God, I know. I can't help it. He is so long. Like, I really don't think that he's 14. He's probably 13, but have to check him. Oh my God, he is so close. He's actually 13 3/4. Nah, he's not big. Yeah, I think you're right. He might. He'll be close. 14 1/4. Yeah, I think 14 1/4. 14 1/4 he is. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption, but it's time for the boat of the week, sponsored by my friends over at Angler's Choice. So this week we're taking a look at a 2024 Tracker Boats Pro 170. So this is the perfect entry-level bass boat. It has a 16-foot 8-inch hull. It's powered by a 9.9 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, and this could be a very good option for someone who lives around horsepower restricted lakes. I fish plenty of them myself. Having a rig like this would be perfect to get out on those bodies of water. Up front on the bow for your trolling motor, you have a 45-pound thrust Minn Kota Edge, and as far as electronics go, at the console you have a Lowrance Hook 4X. The boat also comes with a 3-bank NOCO charger, folding chairs, spare tires, swing away tongue, motor toter, all that good stuff. If you have any interest in this Pro 170, please click that link down in the description below and you can go check it out over at Angler's Choice. The Mercury Repower promo is still going on as well, so if you're looking to repower your boat, now is definitely the time. Angler's Choice is waiving all of the install fees, so if you find a motor that you're looking for that's in stock, you just take your boat in, they'll literally do the swap with the new motor, and they'll even help you sell your old motor, and again, they're completely waiving the install fee, which could save you thousands of dollars. So I'll leave that link down in the description below as well. Huge thanks to my friends over at Angler's Choice for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it. Oh, that's a big one. Mm-hmm. That's all right. That works. Man. It's like a 2 and yeah. These guys fight so freaking hard. Back in action. I don't know, I'm gonna flip him. He'll be close. Actually, I think he is. Come on, buddy. Close your mouth. Oh yeah.
14?
Yeah. 14 and an eighth. Yes, sir. Your turn. They're liking this black trickworm.
Yeah.
They keep biting this thing like crazy and you want one.
Okay.
Just-
Yeah, I got some.
Okay.
Sure do.
I figured you did.
Yeah.
One of the back to back. 4 and 5. Had to slow down a little bit with the trickworm. Old Faithful. 9:57. We got a limit. So yesterday, I knew it was low, but I just wanted to come look at it. And I just fished like through that little cut and down and around. But I got like on all the heavier brush there and back there and in that little creek, I caught some buzzbait fish. And on the docks, I was flipping a little Senko around. Hopefully it's full of fish today. Come on, Buzz. All right. He might help. I don't know. Yeah, he'll help. Maybe. He looks so much bigger.
I know he did. God, he looked like he was about 3.5.
I know. Or more. Oh, it is a small coal.
I got one too.
Oh, you did?
Oh, God.
Did he pop off? Ah.
Good one too.
139. It's getting rid of number 5. Oh, yeah. Very small coal, but it's a coal. See you, buddy. Tiny.
Ooh.
Oh boy. It's a good sign.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Let's go.
Good job, man. Good deal.
Ah, yes. There you go.
Cool, man. Thanks. Oh, yeah.
It'll work for sure. Good fish. Let's go.
Right in the net, didn't
Yes, he did. I know we didn't catch the only 3-4 fish back here.
Oh, no.
It's crazy how it just turned off. But I know, this corner just looks too good. Didn't I do that the first time too? So bad. I'm fired. Oh, there you go. Got him. Nice. Oh, it's a solid one. There you go. There you go. You old white frog.
White frog.
That's-
Get down here to the corner.
Yep.
14 in here. Man,
All day. Yeah, for sure. He's probably 15, 16. Is that number 4 or 5? Is that a limit? There we go. You got some good. I think you might have more weight than I do.
no, you got a big
Oh, I have the decent one. That's
you
it.
got that big spot.
12 and that. He might call that. I don't know. It'll be, I mean, barely even ounces if he does. Yeah. Yep, does call.
Cool.
Number 5. Ouch. Ow. Stabbing me. Want to run somewhere closer to the ramp? Maybe get another 5 minutes. 225. He's too lazy for my liking. Yep.
Well, we did the best we could. You know,
It was a great day. I'm glad we were able to catch
got a limit
limits.
apiece.
All right, so we weighed in our fish. We ended up with 10 pounds, 7 ounces or something like that. And that put us in 31st place. So nothing to write home about. Didn't do too great, but I'm not really upset about it either. I stuck with my plan throughout the day. The fish that I found in practice, I was able to go back and duplicate that and catch on tournament day. I just never had that big fish bite. Cool thing is, that put me in 3rd place overall for Angler of the Year. Pretty stoked on that. Really looking forward to going down to High Rock and seeing how this is going to play out. But the coolest thing about the whole event was that my co ended up in 2nd place. He had 8 pounds, 14 ounces, and he was like 5 ounces out of 1st, and he did have one bigger fish jump off on a topwater, unfortunately, but 2nd place is awesome. So huge congrats to Dan. He was a great guy to fish with. Had an awesome time. And that's where we're going to leave this one off. So after this BFL on Kerr, which was our 11th event this year, we are negative $2,428.78. Not great, but make sure you keep following along. I hope I don't go completely broke. But leave a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already subscribed. We'll see you on the next one.